slide bar to start the engine. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train.
Hi!
Hi! We're about to go on Baby Bus Little Train. Thank you. Thank you. Here is my... Thank you. Awesome! Let's keep going. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods. You're awesome! Let's keep going. Let's head for the next station. Some sheep are on the train track. Let's drive them away. Tap on the sheep to drive them away. Tap on the sheep to drive them away. Good job! Let's continue on our way. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get off the train.
Hi! Hi!
We have arrived at the inspection station. Good job. Let's continue on our way. There's a barrier up ahead. Let's raise the barrier. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train.